Do you know guys, I wanted this product for quite a long time. Finally, I have my hands on it. It's none other than this mechanical keyboard. Yeah, I was looking for a mechanical keyboard with certain features which I wanted. Probably everyone wanted in their mechanical keyboard. Like 75% of its size, rechargeable, RGB, supports various operating systems with various connective options. Phew, but there is no confusion for you. I found a better keyboard which matches all these features. It's none other than Everfox Katana S Mini keyboard. As I said, this keyboard is packed with lot of features like RGB. You can customize these RGB patterns and it is controllable. It has various patterns within it. It supports various connective options. If you want Bluetooth, you have Bluetooth. If you want wired option, you have wired option. If you want dongle, you have dongle. That may sound resemble to something like that. But keeping aside, it is rechargeable. It could be recharged with the Type-C braided cable provided within the box. With continuous usage and with the RGB lights on, this lasts for solid 4 days. This keyboard also comes with swappable red keys and also with some manuals which you need to go through. It has lot of shortcuts which is also customizable. Arriving to the important part, how is the quality and the typing experience? So far, with this keyboard, with my hands on, it's really good and the quality and the typing experience is really awesome. Hear it for yourself. I have chosen white color just to match my aesthetics for the setup, but it is available in black. So the black lovers, it is available there as well. If you have any friends who is type freak, share it with them. It will be useful for them. If you like this video, give a thumbs up for us and don't forget to subscribe our channel.